So now we are going to learn one part of the grammar, that is editing. E-D-I-T-I-N-G, editing. It is applicable for 9th, 10th and 11th standard. The same format, everything is same, only the difficulty level will be changed, right? So here, especially for the 9th standard, for example, first time that they are appearing for this editing or all these things. So how to do the editing? Because it's a compulsory part in grammar section. Grammar section, mandatory one, we cannot avoid it, right? So here in editing, they will give one paragraph. See now, here for example, few lines are given. Line number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. For example, total 9 lines are given. Here each and every line is not different, individual. It's a one paragraph. So one thing we have to do before writing answer of each line here, that we have to read the whole paragraph. And in editing, we have to write, we have to read the line. For example, first line, people should think twice when they. And in each and every line, for example, here suppose 9 lines are given, so here we have to find out 9 errors. Editing means here we have to edit the paragraph. You understand what I mean to say? One paragraph is given, we have to find out the mistakes or the errors from that paragraph, and we have to replace it with the correct word, answer. So that is why after each and every line at the end, here we have to write incorrect word and here correct. Right? In front of every line, you have to mention there what is the incorrect word in this line, first line, and what will be the correct answer. So incorrect, you have to give the title and then correct. It will be given in your question paper. And in your answer sheet also, that you have to write question number and then make 2 columns, incorrect and correct. Under incorrect column, you will write the words which are incorrect, which are used in the sentence, and here in this column, the correct words. Am I clear? How to write? Make 2 columns. In one column, you will write incorrect word of each line, every line. For example, in this line, whatever the incorrect word you will write here, and then the replacement or the correct word you will mention here. And before writing the answer, read the whole paragraph and then try to understand whether the paragraph is given in present tense, past tense or future tense. Because sometimes the paragraph might be based on a king or a scientist or such a person who is no more now. It means the person has died, or that the king who is no more. So that time we have to definitely consider the paragraph in past tense, and such things that they can give in present tense. Right? Whenever we are talking about, for example, the environment, pollution, we are talking about any present thing, situation, that time present tense should be used. And in future tense must be used. And here, now 9th standard onwards, the questions will not be asked individually. For example, tense, one sentence is given, you have to transform it into present into past continuous, past into future. No. Here one editing, one paragraph will be given in which everything will be there. Each and every part of the grammar will be covered. Maybe tenses, articles, prepositions, conjunctions, all the things, pronouns, each and everything, or the singular, plural form, all the things will be covered here in editing. So here we need to have a thorough knowledge of all the grammatical points there, or the sections of the grammar. Maybe the noun is there, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, right? Everything, the articles, prepositions. So those things are coming here. So let us start with the paragraph. So before starting the answers, we will read out the paragraph. People should think twice when they adopt a pet. It is about a pet, right? Pet animal. Pets became adopted member of the family. One cannot think at ill-treating them. They had to be given wholesome food. In case they fell sick, they should be taken for a vet, and some people acquire pets and now neglect them. It means here the writer talks about this paragraph about the present situation. The pet, it means how to take care of a pet. Maybe the pet dog or a kitten, how to take care. It talks about present things. So we have to consider everything. Tense, singular, plural, articles, prepositions, all the things, right? Let us start from the first line. We will solve an example here by which you will understand how to do, right? Number one. For example, your first sentence. People should think twice when they adopt a pet. Sentence one, for example, first ends here, but actually the completion of the sentence is here. Full stop. So we have to understand the people should think twice when they adopt a pet. It means we have to understand we should think twice before doing the things or after doing the things. For example, if you want to adopt a pet, so definitely before that we should think twice. So people, there is no problem at all, right? People, no error. We have to find out the error, which word is incorrectly used. Editing. People should think twice. There is no problem. When they adopt a pet, when it means here this word when is used incorrect. It means before adopting a pet we should think twice. So here when the wrong word is used. So here in incorrect what will come? When. And incorrect before. Right? Before. So people should think twice when they adopt a pet. So now pets became adopted member of the family. Became, see now we are talking already, I told you in present tense, current situation. So general topic we are talking, so that is why present tense must be used. So which thing is improper here, which word? So adopt, no problem. They should adopt, means they should think twice before they adopt a pet. Pets became adopted. It means here became is used. Right? So that is why we have to use here, we have to change one thing here. Became is used. So that is why it should become. Right? Here. It means here will come became. And instead of became past, become, present will come. Become adopted. Member of the family. Pets is used. Pets become adopted. It means plural. Adopted. Member of the family. Means here what is missing here? S is missing. Members, plural, it is missing here. It means here, for example, member will come, wrong word. And here members. Right? Here we have to use members. Here S that we need to add members in this way. right? Member. Now the next. Family. One cannot think at ill-treating them. So, which word is incorrect? One cannot think at ill-treating them. So, definitely it comes here preposition. It at is the wrong word. Edit we have to do editing. One cannot think instead of at of. One cannot think of ill-treating them. It means here will come instead of at, of will come, right? Of instead of at. So then, one cannot think of ill-treating them. They had to be given wholesome food. Had to be. It means it goes in once again in past. We are talking about the general situation, present time. So definitely it comes here instead of had, have. They have to be. It means instead of had, have. They have. They have to be given wholesome food. In case they fell sick, they should be taken for a wait. In case they fell sick, FELL, once again it goes in past. In case they fall sick, instead of fell, here comes fall. FALL. In case they fall sick, they should be taken for a wait. For a wait. They should be taken instead of for preposition to a wait. Some people acquire pets and now neglect them. Some there is no problem, people no problem. Some people acquire pets, people is used to. So here that we could think about this word, singular, plural. So then here instead of pets, pets will come. P-E-T-S. People acquire pets and, right, number of people are given. So they acquire pets and now neglect them. It means it doesn't make any sense and now neglect them. So definitely instead of this word we have to use before. It means we have to use then. Right? Instead of now, then. Then neglect them. It means some people acquire pets and then neglect them. So instead of now, that then will come. So in this way that we have done it. So here in editing, in short, we have to find out the error from that line, and we have to write the error here in front of the line in the under the heading incorrect. First you make two columns, one is incorrect, second one is correct. Right? Incorrect, correct. For example, in this way, incorrect, and second column correct. For example, here comes to for. In incorrect, for. Here will come to. For example, right? So in this way, you will write first, then second, then third. That in this manner that you will go ahead. Right? Here. So we are also sending time to time in assignment, especially editing. You do it properly. No need to write the paragraph, especially in the examination. Only that we could go ahead with the answers. Right? So read it, especially the grammar. You learn it properly at home. Try to see the prepositions, conjunctions, everything, tenses, and try to solve the questions, such practice questions which we are giving in assignments. So here is the end of this editing with examples we have explained. Thank you.